Unbox the future of travel with the Nobl Travel Carry-On. Imagine smooth travel, ultimate convenience at your fingertips. Ever struggled with last-minute packing, dreading that airport gate check-in? Meet your ultimate flexible friend. This compact monster can expand its belly by 30%. More room for your must-haves without upsizing. Say goodbye to awkward maneuvers with its dreamy 360-degree spinner wheels gliding like a graceful ballerina. Sturdy as a knight's armor thanks to its aluminum frame and PC shell, dent-proof, worry-proof, travel-proof. Peace of mind with TSA-approved locks. It's like having a guardian angel protect your belongings. Laptops get their own secure gig, nestled in a dedicated compartment safe from travel chaos. Stuck in an airport? Don't panic. Charge devices on the go with the integrated USB port. Digital nomad, you're welcome. Hands tied with that smoothie? Never fear, a handy cup holder's here. Sip in style, my friend. Looking polished and posh? It's not just luggage, it's an accessory with a touch of class. Glides like butter yet tough as nails. Carry-On never had it this sleek or this strong. Perfect for professional travelers, ensuring a seamless journey from boardroom to destination. Families too rejoice. Extra space solves all those more room, more joy dilemmas. Shedding the extra weight for other brands? Might as well, this one's packed with function over fluff. Curious? Ready to upgrade your travel game? Check out the link in the description. Make travel enjoyable again.